Family members of Guatemalan migrants involved in a deadly truck crash in Mexico have said they are desperate for news of their loved ones and feel forgotten by governments that offer few opportunities and no protection on the perilous route to the United States. It was just 4 days ago that Domingo Yobani Raimundo Mateo, 18, left his small village of Chajul, an Ixilmaya community some 260 km, 160 miles, from Guatemala City, for his second attempt to reach the U.S. This time, his family sold a house to pay for his journey with the hope he would secure work after crossing the border. Instead, they received word that he was killed just 1 day later when a truck trailer carrying more than 160 people overturned on a curve outside the city of Tuxtla Gutiérrez in Mexico's Chiapas state on Thursday. At least 55 people, mostly from Guatemala, were killed, in one of the worst death tolls of migrants in Mexico in the past decade. The incident has put a spotlight on the dangers migrants face on the road to the U.S. border, often at the hands of human traffickers known as coyotes. Dozens of migrants have died from violence or accidents in Mexico over the past decade. Relatives of migrants killed or injured in the accident said they are desperate for information about their family members and get few answers from the government.
Muy difícil esto. No, 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 no. No puedo presentarme. Ay,